Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows operating system. Then I'll walk you through on the installation process of Ubuntu operating system on the new virtual machine. So let's get started. To install VirtualBox, first we need to download the VirtualBox installer from the Oracle website. So open your browser and type VirtualBox on the search bar. On the first link that says virtualbox.org, click on it. Click the downloads link. Under VirtualBox platform packages, you need to choose your host from the list. In my case, I have Windows host, so I'm gonna click on the first link that says Windows host. Click on it and click save, and this will download and save the installer on your machine under downloads folder. Now the download task is done. So click on the downloads icon here, or you can go to your downloads folder. Now double click on the installer. Now if the app asks you permission, then click yes. You can minimize this one. You can minimize this one as well. Now from here, click next. This one you can leave as default as is. Click next. Here click yes and click yes here as well. Now click install. Click finish. Now the installation is done. To create a new virtual machine, click this new icon and you can name your virtual machine here. Under the ISO image section, you need to specify the location for your ISO file. Now click next. Here you need to create a new user. This one is a default username and password. Under the memory allocation section here, you need to assign enough memory and processors for your new machine. Okay, now click next. Under virtual hard disk window, you need to allocate disk space for your virtual machine. Now click finish. Now you can log in. Now as you can see, the Ubuntu operating system is running. Thank you for watching.